First reading, Revelation chapter 10 verse 8 to 11. Then I heard the voice I had heard from heaven speaking to me again. Go, it said, and take that open scroll from the hand of the angel standing on sea and land. I went to the angel and asked him to give me the small scroll, and he said, Take it and eat it. It will turn your stomach sour, but it will taste as sweet as honey. So I took it out of the angel's hand, and I ate it, and it tasted sweet as honey, but when I had eaten it my stomach turned sour. Then I was told, You are to prophesy again, this time against many different nations and countries and languages and kings. Responsorial Psalm, Psalms chapter 119 verse 14, 24, 72, 103, 111, 131. In the way of your instructions lies my joy, a joy beyond all wealth. Your instructions are my delight, your wishes my counselors. The law you have uttered is more precious to me than all the wealth in the world. How pleasant your promise to my palate, sweeter than honey in my mouth. Your instructions are my eternal heritage, they are the joy of my heart. I open wide my mouth, panting eagerly for your commandments. Gospel, Luke chapter 19 verse 45 to 48. Then he went into the temple and began driving out those who were busy trading, saying to them, According to Scripture, my house shall be a house of prayer, but you have turned it into a bandit's den. He taught in the temple every day. The chief priests and the scribes, in company with the leading citizens, tried to do away with him, but they could not find a way to carry this out because the whole people hung on his words.